Morning, I'm Justin. I'm the sales manager at Audi, Peugeot, now Citroen, and also JSC Motors. I just want to explain to you the process on how we order cars, new cars especially. Cars that are on our floor, cars that we normally place in advance with the different options that we require on the cars. If customers need those cars, we put those options in so that your cars arrive with the options that you want. Most of the time, we have cars on our floors that we order as per how we will know that a customer would want in a car. So you might walk into the showroom, you might find that we've got something on the floor that maybe that's not what an extra option that you wanted. But we can always find a car for you that may be at another dealer or at factory or that's lying at free stock where we can pull for you. But either way, we can get the car for you. Doesn't matter whether the car's on the floor or whether it's another dealer or at free out stock, we can get the car for you. Also, we keep a record of cars that we build. As you can see that I have a board. It tells me that cars are in build, cars that are on the boat that are coming, and cars that have arrived, cars that are in demo. So whichever you want, I have a list. I have a list with me that can tell me exactly, and I can order whatever cars you want. If you're looking for a car, trust me, I'll find it. And I'll just find it for you at a good price. That's what I'm here for you. Justin Joseph, sales manager, Audi, Peugeot, JSC, and now, from 2 weeks' time, Citroen.
Which is bad.
Which is May, of course, nowhere else.